Do you want to paint on your cake, but you realize you have no brushes? No problem. Watch this video to see how you can use everyday household items like a paper towel to paint on your buttercream cake. For stress-free cake tutorials and advice, be sure to click subscribe and hit that bell to be notified whenever I post new videos. So what I love about using the paper towel is that it gives a really cool, unique pattern to the cake. The only downside of using a paper towel is that it does soak up the paint a little more than a brush would. But otherwise, it's a great option if you don't have any brushes lying around. So the cake shown here was previously painted with a paintbrush, so you can see the difference. You can check out that video tutorial linked below. To use the edible art paint, first you'll shake it, then pour it into a palette. Taking one sheet of paper towel, bunch it up so that you have a flat surface area to work with. Dip it into the paint, then quickly and gently dab it onto your cold cake. If the buttercream gets soft, pop it back into the fridge and continue this process until you're satisfied with the look. Now you can see the difference between using a paintbrush and a paper towel. A paper towel will give you a more subtle look, whereas a paintbrush will give you a bolder look. Let me know in the comments which look you prefer. So that was my really quick tip on how to use a paper towel to paint on a cake. Make sure to watch the video here to see my top 5 tips on how to paint on a buttercream cake. If you liked this video, make sure to click like, hit subscribe, and don't forget to grab my foolproof Swiss meringue buttercream guide listed below.